Hello, welcome to the first episode. Hey, don't copy my accent. Hello, welcome to the first episode of Jack and Jill. Welcome. Jill, it's my duty to do the welcome. You can just answer the questions. Hey, you don't tell me, okay? I know what to do. You just shut up. Just ask questions. Jill, how do I shut up and ask the questions? Hey, what you're trying to ask smart? Just shut up. Okay, Jill, what do you think about the current IPL? Current is there. It's going everywhere. Electricity is there. Don't worry. Don't worry about the current. Go bill, pay the bill every 2 months. The current will be correct. But Jill, IPL happens only once a year. Yeah, man. That's why I'm putting the video. Or else I would wait to take the paints to pay for you and take the interview. No, Jill, we are the ones who pay for you. What payment, man? Look at the Pawan Negi. He's getting the 8.5 crores, and the Shane Watson getting the 9 crores, and the Dhoni getting 50-60 crores. The Virat Kohli they getting 30-40 crores, and the Raina getting 20-25 crores for the one IPL for the 1 month. You just pay me one tea, one samosa. Yes, Jill, that goes out of the boundary for us. What boundary, man? You're not even holding the mic for me. Sorry, Jill. Yeah, okay. I'm doing the double roll, so you do the double payment to me today. Okay, Jill, I'll talk to my CEO or my manager about it. Okay, now let's go to the questions. What do you think about Rohit Sharma's innings yesterday? What a beautiful innings, man. One more thing I want to share. Rohit Sharma wife telling that she's ready to play after the while. What that interesting to knowledge you about the Rohit Sharma's game yesterday. That she's ready to share the husband with the Eden Gardens ground. He scored double century here, all that and everything. So he's yesterday scoring 83 runs in the match. So they are ready to share him with the ground. That I don't understand. Only she only knows love triangle and all that. That's different. That is their life and all everything. That is very much the different. Now that's the news. That's all I can say. That's the way. Yeah, coming back to the hold the mic, man. Sorry. So yeah, Rohit Sharma played very well, scoring 75, 80 runs, and I want to tell about the Josh Butler also. As the 360-degree player, just like the AB de Villiers and the Sarfaraz Khan, they're all sharing a strike rate of over 250, 260 man. What the? I don't understand. Just like the Rohit Sharma hitting the double century 220, 225, like that strike rate. I really don't understand all that. But yeah, Rohit Sharma innings, very well innings. What do you think about Josh Butler's innings? I am the fan of the Josh Butler fan. I am the fan of the Josh Butler and AC also. But he's the cook, not the England captain cook. Don't get misconfused of the Jack. Yeah, they are very much. I saw the Mumbai Indians page today. They're sharing that Josh Butler doing what the fans wanted. Fans, only one fan in this room. One more fan inside. So what the fans wanted. Oh, no, I'm not taking a pun against any team. Don't throw stones on me. Don't throw stones on my window, man. Please, please. So that's the thing that's happening. So I am telling what is that? What is that? Yeah, I'm talking about the Mumbai Indians and the Josh Butler scoring very well back and what is doing like this, like that. What is dancing or what? But they're still fans. So I am telling one thing: very well score around 40 runs in 12, 13, 14 balls. That is very much the heartening to watch. And Rohit Sharma, yes, very good playing, very good batting, just like I thought him. It's very much the Mumbai boy, and just taking the flight and going and teaching him and coming back. That is very much the ideology. But yesterday he called me. I told him, yeah, but take me in the Mumbai Indians team. He's telling no. You are very costly for buying. He's telling. So I just told him, okay, if you are ready to give all the money and for coaching, then why should I have to play? I am already very relaxed. So you are trying to say Rohit Sharma is your student. Hey, you itself are my student, Ra. Okay, you are standing next to me. That privilege not everybody will get. Okay, you understand that first, and then ask me the questions. What do you know about cricket? Hey, what do I know about cricket? What the nonsense you are talking of the ruling of the world of the world? Yeah? What do you think? Huh? I know everything. Today extra innings I watched. I'm ready to sit in the extra innings also, but they're not taking the very much the knowledge of the person, of the stupid, of the idiot, because too much knowledge. They're not accepting. Hey, 20 years cricket, 23 years old, from 3 years, 4 years I am watching the 1996 World Cup. What do you know? What do you know? What do you know? You think you can play? Sportsman? Nonsense. Idiot fellow. Asking what about cricket to me? What do you know about cricket? What do you know about cricket? You tell. Sir, I know quite a few about cricket. That's why they've let me interview you. That much you don't know. They're only allowing the best of the idiot of the best of the best to interview me. Then you asking me? Yes, sir. Sorry about that. Hey, one sorry is not going to solve anything, but I'm going to leave you, man, because I don't want the show of the cricket to be disturbed. So we are officially naming this show of the cricket. Hey, not the show off, man. Just be nonsense. Enough. That is all. Sir, I'm ready to be nonsense, sir. Can you be stupid? You calling me stupid now, eh? I can't let go of this time, but I'm still going to talk about the cricket. Now currently happening is the Tala Dhoni has come. It is not happening in the MA Chidambaram Stadium. That is very much the saddening for me. Statue for 2 seconds till CSK comes back. Very much the missing, man. That I've come on the TV. Oh, sorry, it's showing my cheap behavior. Sorry. During the matches, they're just covering last ball and all that, everything. 3 years back that's happening. That was okay. But 1 year already over. Only 1 year. Right now telling, sir, call me and sir, 8 years one house we were staying. Now 2 years they're asking us to come back, stay another place, which means my student is talking in a, that is only his terms he can understand, but he after 2 years is going to come back to the CSK. That's my team, our team. There's 1 more year only left, so that is okay. Sir, you're taking over privilege of stuff, sir. What is the stuff, man? What do you know about the stuff? Idiot fellow, using wrong words to me. What are so are you doing a comic show or a cricket show, sir? Hey, what you thinking? Come to this, sir. Look at the seriousness. Talking nonsense to me. Look at the mustache, man. How big mustache? How talking to me? Like that. Idiot fellow. Okay, so coming back to the IPL. Shivering now, no? Shivering, no? That is what is the power of the Jill. Okay, Mr. Jill. Till now you were calling me the sir, now calling me the Mr. Jill. Who are you, man? Performance, Sir, what do you think about the commentators, sir? What do you know about commentating, man? Hello! Welcome! Swastikar! See, Arsha Bagle not there. He has been removed. And one of the, he has reshuffled that saying in Twitter that see, one thing, it is like a pizza without the toppings. Like that he has put the commentary team. What more I have to tell about the commentary team? You tell me, I don't understand. Is this enough for you? But I have made videos praising the current and see the current totally fully current only. No current, no video, nothing. So that is the thing. You go 1 step back, I go 1 step forward. Yeah, so that is the thing. Current scenario of the commentary team, there's good method is there. More than what I thought last time. There is more power in the commentary team. I'm going to join the commentary very soon, but I have requested they are telling again salary problem. So I telling, okay, I'll put the guidelines for the salary and give you. So like that it's happening. Very soon you can see me in the in the in the in the what to say that boiling cold temperature of the commentary room of the knowledge. Okay, Jill sir, do you think what man you're passing? You're not trying to ask me that if I think. See how the spontaneous I am. Not even giving me 2 seconds to answer. I'm answering very fast. You have a written paper. I have nothing. Okay, sir. What do you think about the partnership between ABD Villiers and Virat Kohli? What I have to tell both my students only 157 runs. What do you think that is easy to hit? 75 runs by the ABA Kohli and 83 runs for the ABD Villiers. How it is possible? Both sacrificing their life, man, their wicket for the century. Century is like getting one birth, one new life in a game. Just like that, without cheat code. How it is possible? Tell me. Both of them sacrificing. What do you want to know more about the partnership, you idiot fellow? That is the highlight, man. That is the highlight. And the Panda Bear scoring of the Sarfaraz Khan scoring that 37 runs and hitting all the balls. However, said, what will happen if it's like this? What if Phillips instant re-ups and talking nonsense, fellow? Just don't learn to appreciate first, then you will question. So you sound like a politician, sir, not like a sportsman. Hey, when did I tell you that I'm a sportsman, man? All things are knowledgeable to the knowledgeable. Everything is the common. I'm just a common man. Don't put me in a plastic of the special force. Sorry, sir. What do you think about the future matches? What future matches, man? I have no idea of getting married. What are you thinking of the matches? No, sir, not about the marriage, sir. The future IPL matches. Oh, you're talking about the IPL matches, sir. You're putting me, going to sleep, man. The PCM book finisher out. You're putting it again and again and again. I'm just forgetting everything. IPL. We're talking about the IPL. Currently, Kevin Peterson is going to play for South Africa, man. He just got out. Devin Bravo putting the slower ball. That fellow, once we both were running, practicing before the practicing one round, we were running. This fellow kept losing to me. I called him the slower one. From the time he's speaking of the slower and bowling that again and again and again. What nonsense, I don't understand. But since he was in the CSK, we ran more. I just called him slower one. He's only putting that. Running fast and bowling the slow and putting spin. That Matthew had told one thing that Shane Warne is first spinner only, then leg spinner. Like that, Shane Warne's story is a big story. I don't want to tell all that. But he's a very loyal student. Also retired and everything. Most probably we can see him in the commentary team or so, very much the soon. What do you think about KKR's loss yesterday? Orpo jeet pole. That's what I think. That's what they also think. Army Kolkata. That is what they say. And there's a post-match show competition with me that they are doing the gym and the fitness and the training. All that is coming in and the partying and all that. It is coming in the TV. There was a competition for me. That is what I think. And the score was not very bad score. 187 is a very good score. Actually, on a Eden Garden turning wicket. Then they have 3 spinners and all that. China man, 2 China man. But they are in the India. I don't understand how it's happening. That is there, and it's very good match yesterday. But Rohit Sharma, as I told you before, they're playing through. That is there, so they won. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down, and Jill came tumbling after. So can we close the show now, sir? Hey, just pay me, man, first. Then we can close the show. You did not stupid. Sir, you're spraying, sir. What, man, spraying? What, I'm some pesticide or what for you? Keep watching the IPL. Then you're doing justice. Money is only secondary. First comes the cricket. I am first. A cricket. Then only a human. That's all. Thank you. 15 minutes.